How to transfer images from Mateo TL microscope to a smartphone. Plug in the Wi-Fi dongle. Go to the gallery and select the images to be transferred. Click the Share button and choose Send to Smart Device. 2 QR codes will appear. Use the scanning function of the camera to scan QR code number 1. This will connect the smartphone with the Wi-Fi dongle. Click Join. Wait until the Wi-Fi icon appears on your phone. Scan QR number 2. The images will appear on your phone. Make a long click on an image to see the options. Choose Add to Photos. Go to the phone gallery and view the transferred images. Mateo TL. Routine cell culture? Check.